Hello. Absolutely unbelievable. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't think so. Where did he go? Bye. Bye bye. No, bye bye. 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 Hello. Oh, good morning. No, good afternoon. Sorry. Oh, what a lovely sunny day. Oh, spent all morning with the mental health service having a meeting about a young person I'm working with, and now I'm going to grab some McDonald's because I need to go and see somebody else now. And I haven't had anything to eat. I had a banana this morning before I left, but I'm really hungry and I need to be quick, so a quick McDonald's it is. And tomorrow I have to go to court again, not for myself. I have to take a young person to court, but yes, so it's all exciting stuff. We had a lot of heavy rain last night, but it seems to, and this morning, to be honest, it was raining this morning, but it's quite mild. The weather's picking up nicely now, and we seem to be having a lot more sunny days, which is great. I love the sun so much. My voice is still not 100%, but it's a lot better. So everything's on the up and up. And very soon I shall have a nice, let me think, Big Mac meal, medium, not a pig, and 6 nuggets, and 2 fish burgers, I think. I don't like their tartar sauce. I have to have tomato sauce. Yeah, that'll do me nicely. Set me up until this evening. And a nice fattening Coke. Well, I finally got my McDonald's, but unfortunately I sat in the queue for a good 10-15 minutes. Cars in front of me, cars behind me, and we just sat there doing nothing. So they sent out a worker, and she said, I'm really sorry that we're having to reboot the computers, so it will only be like 2 or 3 minutes. Turns out obviously it's not 2 or 3 minutes, it's actually about 7 or 8 minutes. So finally get through to the window and I get a phone call. So I'm on the phone whilst they're giving me my food, so I didn't get a chance to check it. And what happens? Thank you. What happens? They get it wrong. So I had to go out, turn around again, park up, go in and get the rest of my order. Unbelievable. Oh dear. Simple thing, and they get it wrong. And that Audi that was just trying to get in, you know, I hate to say it, but an Audi was just trying to shove in the wrong lane, actually sat in my left hand lane, which is only for going straight on, and turned right. Phenomenal. Absolutely unbelievable. All I'm doing at the moment is shoveling in fries. I'm not really a chip kind of person, but that's the only thing I can eat at the moment. I'm really, really hungry. I'm just shoveling in fries. I hope I'm not going to fill myself up on fries before I get round to the interesting stuff. However interesting McDonald's can be. Oh, okay, so it's off home now. It's 4 o'clock. I've popped in to pick up some boxes because my wife needs to send some stuff abroad back to her hometown, and obviously they need sending on a pallet. So I contacted a friend of mine, thank you Damien, and he sorted me out a couple of pallets. So they're all sorted. Awesome. Did a bit of name dropping at my dad's old work, and he sorted me out some boxes, which was nice of him. And yeah, so it's home now, slowly, because I've had to tie the boot down. There's 2 pallets that fitted perfectly inside the boot, and the third one was a bit too big, so I had to tie it down. But they're nicely in there, nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, home it is to do some writing now. Oh, that's nice. I can't believe Radio 2 in the afternoon playing one of my favourite songs. It's fantastic. I'm so happy. Is that sad, or is that just... I think it's cool. So we're just chilling at home, having a little cuddle, aren't we? Yeah, and we've got the cat with us. Minnie. Minnie. Hello. And Patrick's excited because he likes Minnie, don't you? Yeah? Say hello to Minnie. Hello, Minnie. Hello, Minnie. You do it. No, nicely. That's it. Nicely. Nice. Nicely. There's a good boy. That's it. Say hello, Minnie. You see? Be nice. Be nice. Say hello, Minnie. Oh. Oh. Oh, Minnie. Minnie, what are you doing? I don't want your ass on my t-shirt, thank you. Comfortable? Lovely boy. Your socks come off, look. See the socket in the end of your in the end of your suit. Should we get that out? Minnie?
I don't want to alarm you, Agent Einstein, but about 6 weeks ago, I had an unexplained and by definition, failed.
She's gone. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. This cat is so cute, it's lovely. It just curls up anywhere, don't you? You enjoying yourself? Oh. What are you doing? You better not have a flea. I've defleed you so much. You better not have one. You lick my finger. I've defleed you and I've protected you against getting it again. What are you doing? Pulling on your fur. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, you're so cute, you know that?